my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Here we have Anam, and today we're going to be doing a beauty video. I'm not sure what I'm going to title the video, but essentially we're going to be trying out really cute products that have really cute packaging. Aesthetic packaging. Some of the products are kind of like viral. I've seen a lot of people using them mainly for the packaging, let's be real. So we're going to be trying the products, we're going to be rating them, and of course they're all cute, but I feel like अंदर product कैसा है वो हम आपको बताएंगे. एकदम ही short, fun, cute. There's another video that we've done on Anam's channel. It's a really cute one. I've said this a lot of times. It's very cute. It's very funny actually. So it's a video with Jerry, Anam, Aditya and me. It's like a challenge of sorts. Do you want to tell them what it is?
I think you guys should go watch it for yourself because it's been a very interesting day to say the least.
It was a good one. So the link's going to be down below. I think let's get started with today's video. The first product that we're going to be using is, I feel like, a super cute one and you're going to love it.
Okay.
It's a sheet mask.
Ooh.
But it's not a regular sheet mask. We have some Friends-themed sheet masks.
Stop it!
Yeah. And this is the exact print that's on the sheet mask.
So cute. I got Joey.
Okay, yeah. Do you want to switch?
I don't mind.
Yeah, okay. Cool. So let's apply it. This is by Makeup Revolution, by the way. And I found it on Nykaa.
I almost don't want to open it
I know, it's so cute. Wait, it's gonna be such a bummer if it's like just plain white from the inside.
I thought you said printed hair on this.
मुझे भी फोटो में तो लग रहा था अगर plain निकला तो नहीं है printed है. Cute.
No nipples. She's coming in the frame.
It's okay.
The sheet mask is not for you. Sorry. She's like, मुझे भी beauty glam करना है.
Ooh, so cute. We should take a selfie.
It's cold.
I know, right? How is it cold? We didn't even put it in the fridge.
How is yours looking so like aesthetically placed and mine is like folded from everywhere?
No, it's looking cute.
Is it in my head or does mine smell like food?
It smells like the... No, it's in your head.
It's in my head? Okay.
Yeah. You know what? They should have actually made this smell like a coffee one.
And this smell like... I'm still smelling it like it's a sandwich. So.
But that would be weird for it to smell like a sandwich. I feel like coffee flavor is still cute. Sandwich flavor is weird.
मुझे तो खाना ही लग रहा है. I'm telling you.
So we're done with our little gossip session. Let's take this off and actually figure if this does anything. I like it because it's very like lightweight and watery.
And if you're a dry skin girly like me, then it's not gonna do much, unfortunately. Like, it's nice.
Yeah.
Like, my oily patches will like it, but I'm someone that looks for like nourishment and moisture from whatever skincare product, and it's not giving that.
Yeah. It's very lightweight.
Yeah.
Like time pass.
Like, use it in the day, don't use it in the night.
Correct. Makes sense. I actually forgot to give you this.
Oh, cute!
We should have worn these before, but okay.
I've been wanting to order one of these for a while, actually.
Dude, these are so cute. Both of them are from Amazon. I'll link them. No, actually, no. This one I got from Thailand, but I'm sure you'll find it on
Does it not
Amazon.
give you a headache? I feel like some chunky headbands give you a
No,
headache.
it's a little tight, but it's very like cute.
It's all for the aesthetic.
Yeah, exactly. Always. Let's do a lip mask. Not a lip mask, a lip balm.
Lip balm.
It's a super cute one. Are you ready?
Stop it. That is so cute.
And then it's so cute. It's from Renee and it's from the kids section. So you can give this to maybe Rumaisa.
I literally thought of my 7-year-old
Yeah.
niece the second you popped this out. It's got color. Can I swatch it on my hand?
Yeah, of course. So Renee, I just discovered this. Does it? No color?
I like that it doesn't have pink.
Yeah, I agree. So Renee has this thing wherein they're doing makeup for kids. Like not makeup, but like, you know, like cutesy, like lip balm and like an eyeshadow set. But everything is so cute. And I'm hoping that it's all ingredients that are like good for
Kid-friendly.
kids. Yeah. Ooh, smells good.
There's definitely nobody doing that in the Indian market. So that's a nice one.
Exactly. We're gonna share it. Smells nice.
Yes. Smells like
Fruity.
What berry? Not strawberry.
Strawberry.
Is it strawberry? I was thinking blueberry, but then it's not exactly blueberry either.
Smells good, whatever it is. It's nice. It's like time pass, whatever. I feel like, yeah, for kids, I think it's perfect.
I know what I'm ordering for Rumaisa after we film this video.
Okay, so the next product isn't like a product technically. I've just added our regular moisturizer inside, but I love the packaging. So it's like the drunk elephant. Is it like, I know there's this one really
The retinol?
expensive. Yeah, there's this one really expensive skincare brand that does packaging like this. So it's like a dupe, just the packaging.
I have a weird germophobic
Oh yeah, actually.
response to this.
Yeah, it's actually a little bit
Yeah.
unhygienic.
Because if you're gonna keep pressing it, and if you decide to share this with someone where their fingers have been, and we both washed our hands before starting this video, but
Yeah,
I mean?
yeah, I know
my
what you
head
mean.
has just gone in like 50 directions.
I was so excited for this product, but you've like ruined it for
Sorry
me.
to burst your bubble.
Okay, the next product isn't, again, it's not like a makeup product, it's like an accessory, a tool.
Oh, cute!
Yeah, so this is how it comes. It comes in like a bunch of different colors. This is from Amazon. It's been in my wish list for a while, and it just comes with like 1, 2, 3, 4 beauty blenders. All of them have like a different angle, shape, and then 3 mini ones. So let's use these.
Those baby ones look really cute.
Cute, yeah. But honestly, the baby ones, I've used like baby sponges, and it's a pain to use. It's
a
too
little-
tiny,
yeah.
yeah. But okay, we'll use it and try it out. I love how like this is like packaged. It's very cute.
Yeah.
And it's very inexpensive, by the way. So I hope this works well.
If you're making like a nice hamper for someone this festive season, it's nice to like throw into the basket so they're sorted.
Or you can just buy everything that we've mentioned in today's video and use our links to buy it for someone. I love this product. Huh?
Yeah. You know, I just found this product. Like, they had the last one left at the back of the storeroom in Ulta. And then I picked up
good.
one from the elf office. वहाँ पे भी एक last रखा था ये skin tone में. Going in with one of those blenders.
Oh yeah, we should use the blend. Or
Why
not?
did you use your hand?
I don't know. I got confused. Okay.
I'll wait till you finish.
No, go for it.
It's nice and soft.
It's a little hard, I feel.
This
Could it
one
be-
is like soft, but not too soft. Like,
Oh, yeah.
it's a nice level of hardness.
Yeah.
Which is what you kind of want.
It's not bad, yeah. It's good.
It's gonna sound wrong, but it can't be too hard and it can't be too soft. It has to be just the right level of wet for it to. Oh God, this whole
Perfect.
thing sounds wrong.
Perfect. Also, this is like completely unrelated to today's video, but ये product is bomb. I love it. मैं इसका भी link छोड़ दूँगी. You have to try this product out. Like, I feel like on its own also, if you're not gonna wear makeup, just like apply it on your skin. It looks so nice. I like to use it as a highlighter also.
Worth the
on
hype.
top. Yeah, worth the hype.
What the heck? I like this on the concealer more than I liked it on the foundation.
Same,
But I didn't
exactly.
love it either.
Yeah.
Just relatively speaking.
Correct. Agreed. Like, it's good.
Okay, this baby one is too small for my liking. Maybe because I have long nails actually.
I'm just gonna wait for Anam to finish.
Her under eye routine. I'm done.
Pakka. Next product बहुत cute है. It's a blush.
Oh, wait,
Like
I've
a-
seen this.
Yeah, it's been quite trendy
What brand is
recently.
this from?
It's called Prosh Beauty. I think it's like a Korean.
No, Prosh is that Indian brand. They had a different name also from P.
Oh, is it? Okay.
They just rebranded and
Okay.
can't
I'll put
remember.
it on the screen.
Yeah.
Figure it out and put it on the
they're
screen.
an Indian brand. They've just rebranded.
Okay.
Wow, that's a hot pick.
Yeah, I love it. I'm not so personally. I like to if it's a cream product, I like to put it on the back of my hand rather than directly applying it on your skin.
To be honest, that's the best way
Best
to do
way,
it.
yeah.
Unless you're using the Rare Beauty liquid
Yeah,
blushes.
that
those
you can.
Just take a small dot because those are also very pigmented. But you can go directly on your face because those blend like a
Dream. Yeah. Agreed.
मुझे ये side ज़्यादा पसंद आया जो मैंने brush से लगाया है.
Correct.
The sponge side I had to work really hard. The brush side was much
Better.
easier.
Okay. I feel like this would be really nice directly on your skin rather than like on top of foundation.
Yeah.
It's nice on top of foundation also, but I feel like it would be easier to blend.
वो इतना लग गया कि I'm just going all in.
But it's looking so different on you and it's looking so different on me.
Color theory.
Color theory.
It's
yeah.
looking more coral on you, and I feel like it's
Everything somehow looks more coral on me.
What's next? What are we trying next?
Okay, so the next product's really cool. So it's like a clicker pen. Remember we used to get these when we were younger, but it's
In
like
school.
makeup. So there's an eyebrow product, there's an eyeliner, there's a lip liner, there's a highlighter, there's a brow.
That is really cool.
So I already tried this before. In fact, I've done a reel or something like that. I think you try it out. I'll wait for your reaction.
This is literally like those multicolored pens we got as kids in school.
It's very cool.
And it's very pigmented. I love, oh my god, can you see that?
Yeah. I just think it's creamy. For my personal taste, it's a little too creamy for brows. Everything else is really nice. Do you like it?
This is easy.
Yeah, it is.
It's too easy. I get what you're saying about creamy because like that waxy finish is missing.
And also, I feel like this is such a good travel product. Like, एक product में इतनी सारी चीजें हैं.
Also very beginner friendly.
Yeah.
I love it. I haven't tried the rest of them yet, but it got my brows done in under 10 seconds.
Yeah, that was quick. Okay, I think we'll continue with the eyes. The next product is also super cute. I love the packaging. I mean, that's the whole point of today's video, the packaging. So we have this cute product from Gush Beauty.
Okay.
Do you know about Gush Beauty?
They do stacked, I like some of their products also.
So I got like a super vibrant.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they have like some really cool like rainbow colors.
Cute.
Very cute, yeah. Let's see how pigmented it is. I've tried Gush Beauty products and so far I've liked every single thing that I've tried from them and even the packaging is so cute.
Yeah, I like their liner, their felt tip liner.
Yeah, I haven't tried that. What do you want to do? Which color you want to do?
Should I do yellow? Then the liner will show on it.
Go for it.
Loads of fallout. Actually, I don't want to villainize fallout. Fallout is okay as long as the pigment and the application is worth it.
True.
That is my funda.
Agreed. है pigmented तो है बहुत नहीं थोड़ा सा है. I feel like this would be good like dipped into micellar water like if you want to do a liner. It's there pigmentation है. It's not like super crazy.
On pigmentation level, I would give this a 5-6
out of 10, right?
Yeah, like it's nice. I think maybe because in the pan it looks so much more vibrant. I was expecting more.
Agreed. Should we hop to the lips?
Let's. Oh, you've got all like school time stationery kind of stuff, huh? Over here.
It's so cute. So this is also a Makeup Revolution Clueless collab. So it's a lip liner. I really honestly don't think that this lip liner is gonna be very pretty in terms of like the shade. And it's also not opening.
But we're doing it for the aesthetic packaging
For the
today.
aesthetic, I know, right?
Could this video be any more on brand for Mridul?
I feel like this would make like a nice
eyeliner.
Eyeliner. It's nice, pigmented भी है काफी.
Smooth था glide?
नहीं, थोड़ा सा है. क्या करें lips पे तो नहीं लगा सकते.
नहीं, मुझे try करना है. What is it meant for lips ना?
It's a lip liner. This is a lip liner.
What if you've accidentally ordered a kajal?
Wait, I'll check. But it's so cute, right? So to be fair, इसमें एक और shade है, which is so pretty. It was like a proper nude color. But ये pink packaging के लिए मैंने pink खरीदा. It's on me.
तो nude वाला nude packaging में था.
हाँ.
Cute.
Yeah.
Super zoom in, I guess. Wait, okay. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna do this. Did you know कि lilac के अंदर lilac आता?
हाँ, उसमें swatch भी था.
Brave, हाँ?
मेरी गलती है.
Brave.
It's okay. We have another product. So this is an Airpod lipstick. It looks like an Airpod.
I was gonna say that.
And then it opens up. And then there are two lipsticks. It's like a stain mosso. काफी ये भी colors dangerous colors हैं थोड़े. Oh, this is a nude. I got a nude. You have like a weird orange.
It's a rustish some. This is not my day.
Ooh, pigmented.
Actually, you know what this is reminding me of? This is reminding me of the Rare Beauty lip oil in terms of the way it's going on.
Oh, you're right. But it's pigmented, huh?
Is it plumping? Because I'm feeling a sting on my lips. I'm like scared to go for it.
At your own risk. I got it from Amazon.
Dude, smell it. You can smell the mint, like the menthol, the mint. Smell yours? Can
Yeah. I like the shade. The shade that I got, it's pretty.
I like this shade too. I mean, I wouldn't pair it with the yellow eyes and weird liner that I have right now.
Your makeup looks nice, Anam.
It's like Cartoon Network popped out of the TV with yellow, black and dust over here.
Let's do one more lip product. Okay, so this is a lip oil.
Okay.
But it has like crystals in here. Amethyst crystals.
Can I see?
Yeah?
Does it? Have you smelled it?
No. Go for it. What? Why are you so confused?
Oh, it's a roll.
Yeah, it's like a... No, it's a roll-on. Get some product out.
Clearly, I'm very skeptical today of everything.
Does it smell like anything?
Yeah. A coconut oil or something oil, jojoba oil?
Weird. Not a very...
I don't mind it.
Yeah, like it's okay. It's not like a cute vanilla or like fruity. It's like oil.
एक second पोंछ लो वरना मेरा वाला shade आ जाएगा.
Okay.
It feels very, very greasy on the lips, which should be obvious for oil, but I mean that in a not so great way.
This smells...
Like, you know what I mean? Like my lips are slipping, if that makes sense.
It's pretty but like it's giving me that gloss look. Clearly Anam and I have very different yeah, it is oily, I will say that, but it's an oil also. It's a lip
but
oil.
like, you don't want to feel like
I know what you mean.
cooking oil on your lips.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this a solid 5-ish. Maybe 5.5, okay.
I'll give it a 7.
Because the packaging is nice.
Yeah, the packaging is cute. So we've pulled ourselves together. थोड़ा सा हमने makeup adjust कर लिया. I feel like we look a little bit better now.
Little bit for me. I'm not so happy with my eyes still.
It's a super cute perfume.
Aww.
I feel like this reminds me a lot of the Ariana Grande perfume. I don't know what it's called, but it has like a very similar packaging. This is from Miniso. It's called Colorful World EDT. Hai. Should I spray it on you?
Yeah, go for it.
Blushing Wood.
I'm like,
ooh, I know, right?
am I getting cherry blossom in there or is it just in my head?
I don't know. Yeah, a little bit. But it's sweet and it's so cute.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too.
Do Miniso perfumes last? Like, I haven't.
I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know about
But
this
at those
one.
prices, you don't mind it.
Mind it, yeah. Bro, but I was expecting it to smell like very like cheap and random. You know what I mean?
This is nice.
Yeah, it smells good.
This is really nice. I'm gonna take another one of those.
Yeah, please.
Okay, packaging पे थोड़ा और खर्चा करना था. Actually, you shouldn't put your perfume sprays inside that, but that is really nice.
It's good, right?
Really, really nice.
Let's do a favorite.
I thought it was gonna be something else, but now I think it's this. Okay, I'm gonna say the pen is a close second purely because the liner ruined it for me. Everything else was great.
Yeah.
So this is second, but this is first.
First, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
For me, I think I'm gonna say the lip balm. We've forgotten the lip balm. It was nice. Like it's cute, it's whatever, and then the perfume.
What
These
was your
two.
least favorite?
Least favorite, I think, would be.
I think my least favorite was the push jar container, just because the germaphobe part of my
Yeah,
brain.
that makes sense. Least favorite. Well, sab theek hi tha, honestly. I think the sheet mask maybe. It was cute, but just not someone who uses sheet mask regularly. I feel I could still like get away with using the rest of the things. Like I could maneuver my way. Sheet mask is like blah, hota nahi hota. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I really wanted to do like a beauty video with you, like always. I don't do a lot of beauty videos, as you know, but I feel like when there's Anam on the channel, I make it a point. And I hope you guys liked us trying like random beauty products. I'll link everything down below in case you guys want to buy it for yourself. Don't forget to go and watch Anam's video because it turned out really fun. It was a cute one. So don't forget to go check it out. Subscribe to Anam's channel. Follow Anam on her Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow Verified. Follow Simba Lifestyle. Follow Skion. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.